Guys, good morning. Guys, magising kay nagabaligo para maya trabaho na. Para kaming andito sa ano guys, this house may farm, may ano pa, swimming pool. Ito guys, yun ang swimming pool guys. Yun guys, may swimming pool pa guys. Yan may swimming pool pa. Tapos yung yan kami gagawa guys sa may tapos doon yung mga manukan guys. Ayun baba. Guys, ganda ng lugar dito guys. So ito, bundok na guys sa Antipolo. Good morning everyone. Please paki-share sa video ko. Paki-follow guys. Please support. Good morning, good morning. Bye bye, God bless.